Digital Marketing 2022. How is digital marketing evolving? Where should you put your energies and resources in terms of time, money, and knowledge to speed up the results? What about the upcoming Web 3.0 and its improvements? How will they affect and influence traditional digital marketing? I recommend watching this video till the end because I'm going to reveal 5 undervalued truths you have to know if you want to exploit digital marketing to start a new business, increase sales, or improve your existing business. My name is Max Cecco, and I help you become a high-paid infopreneur by sharing my 12-year knowledge and experience helping professionals and small business owners create their personal brand online and sell information products and services. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I suggest you subscribe right now and turn the notification on. If you tap on the like button, you will contribute to spreading my message to people like you. So, thank you. Let me point out one crucial thing. Based on my 12 years of knowledge and experience in selling digital products and services online, I always share my point of view, what I believe in and what I don't believe in. With that said, let's continue this video with the first truth. Truth number 1. Video marketing is the king. Let's face reality for what it is. TikTok is growing rapidly because people love consuming short video content. To avoid losing audiences and profits, Instagram is pushing Reels, a short video format, to compete with the TikTok platform. Even YouTube has introduced short 1-minute videos to its audience. Many people prefer reading than watching, but videos are exploding because young generations love watching video content. Honestly, you can't ignore this fact, and I recommend you not to underestimate it. I know different professionals and small business owners that refuse entirely to make videos. They don't feel comfortable putting their face in front of a camera, and most of them don't like the idea of sharing free, valuable content. This is a huge mistake. Let me explain a business rule you should master right now. In business, you don't have to do what you think is good, but what your target audience wants. You have to sell what your clients want. You have to reach your audience where they are. I'm 100% sure that regardless of your business, your audience is on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. Making video content should be your priority. Let me explain to you why by introducing the second truth. Truth number 2. Social authority is fundamental. Selling online in 2022 is not as easy as it was in 2008. At that time, it was more than enough to have a sales presentation, just some videos to help your potential clients decide why they should have bought your product or service, and you were ready to sell. Even today, you absolutely need a sales letter or a video sales presentation, a funnel, a series of communication to indoctrinate your potential client to become your client, email marketing, SMS marketing, and so on. It all depends on your marketing strategy. But the point is this: since many incompetent people try to sell anything online, differentiating yourself with the basic and essential tools is not enough. People buy from people or companies they trust. They search your name online, they study who you are, if you have credibility, and only then they decide to buy from you. The key here is to be willing to do what fake people or scammers are not able to do. It means sharing content regarding your expertise, as I'm doing right now, on different social networks such as YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. I perfectly know it takes time, but working on your personal brand and your social authority is fundamental if you want to create a profitable business and sell your products quickly and easily. By investing some of your time and resources in building your social authority, this is what you will get. 1. The cost per acquisition of a potential client will be lower. 2. Your sales process is quicker and easier. And 3. People buy from you even without reading or watching video sales presentations. Building your community is a crucial step to pursue, especially if you want to be successful in the upcoming Web 3.0. I'll talk about this topic in the next few minutes. Truth number 3. selling and copywriting are crucial skills to learn. As I told you multiple times in many different videos I publish on YouTube, Instagram and TikTok, selling is the most important ability of every successful entrepreneur, such as copywriting. Copywriting is the high-paid skill you should absolutely master if you want to be successful in digital marketing, selling by using the written word. Both sales and copy involve communication. Indeed, if you want to sell anything online and/or offline, you should become a great communicator, a leader people want to follow and trust. Period. I firmly believe that, especially today and in the years to come, people will buy products or services from people or companies they trust. People buy your persona first, who you are, and only then they will consider buying your stuff. The following is an undisputable fact. You have to master how to sell, and there are plenty of books available on the topic. I'm sharing lots of information about sales and copywriting on my YouTube channel, even complete guides. In digital marketing, many skills are involved, but please, you must learn sales and copywriting. Indeed, you should know that you can sell products or services by using different selling environments, for instance, live events and live streaming events, videos, pre-recorded webinars or live webinars, selling over the phone and one-to-one live conversation. In all these different sales environments, sales and copy skills are demanded. Period. Truth number 4. Start focusing on Web 3.0 now. The foundation of Web 3.0 is the community. Establishing a real and solid relationship with your audience is the essential aspect you should focus your attention on if you want to sell products and services. To build your audience, you have to create your social authority, as I said in the truth number 2, otherwise no one will buy your stuff. No community, no sales. Easy. I'm not saying that you can't sell online video courses, live events, coaching programs, mentoring programs, or other services anymore. Simply, the way people buy this stuff will be completely different. Indeed, Web 3.0 is changing the rules of business. Every business. I don't know your level of awareness about Web 3.0 and especially the NFT market. There is a lot to cover and it is not the purpose of this video. But I have already recorded a video to explain everything you need to know about the NFT, non-fungible tokens. NFT explained for beginners. What is an NFT? I put the link to this video here and in the description below. Honestly, the NFT market is still in its infancy and very few people understand how it works and its real utilities. But if you start learning these concepts now, you have a huge competitive advantage when you decide to sell your products or services through Web 3.0. Truth number 5. Be consistent. Sometimes in business and life, you don't have to reinvent the wheel again. Just be consistent with what you do, without letting your short-term results discourage you. People tend to quit soon, especially if they don't see any results, or, it would be better say, they are not capable of seeing results. Sometimes, creating a successful business takes time, even months or 2 years. It all depends on your business goals, ambitions and aspirations. Consistency is the key to getting the results you want. And please don't underestimate it. Often the difference between who gets results and who doesn't is simply the consistency, the effort, the patience, the faith someone puts in his everyday life. Nothing more. Do not forget it. Now, what's next? If you want to know more about Web 3.0 and especially how NFT will disrupt the knowledge industry, I recommend watching this video, How to Value an NFT Collection, Intellectual Property Related. I'll answer these questions. What is an NFT? How is an NFT going to change the world? What about your intellectual property? So, watch it now.